Hey, what's up guys on YouTube? This is 3D Bonfire back with an amazing promotion for my advanced soft body course. So please don't hate me. I just make this advanced courses also on my Patreon. It's also 3D Bonfire. So if you don't only want to see me on YouTube and you need additional more advanced stuff, yes, check my Patreon out, please. That would be just amazing. So I just quickly right now uploaded the second part of this soft body training. So maybe you want to learn how to deform cool chairs and make them bounce and wiggle and yeah, I mean also how to light it and make it beautiful. So there are a lot of cool techniques in this one. And yes, so this is part 2 already on Patreon. I just uploaded it right now. This is the promotion. Also, you can see here is soft body part 1 of the training. So this is also amazing. So it just builds up with the knowledge, and I just want to turn you into a 3D artist professional. So here is part 2. Yes, lots of good stuff. Assets for you, so you just can play with it straightly in Cinema 4D with soft bodies. So this stuff is just amazing, I think. And also here, low poly cages, so you can play with with this chairs in Cinema 4D. So let me just quickly show you one more video. Yes, here's soft bodies advanced on Patreon. Oh man, it looks so delicious. I just want to touch it, taste it. Man, beautiful rendering. So yes, and of course soon there will be new tutorials on YouTube. Please check the last one, the plumbers one. Man, it doesn't seem to be so so impactful. So maybe it's not a hot topic anymore, the plumbers. But soon there will be good YouTube stuff. And yeah, see you later, guys. Thanks for everything. Bye.